Hi guys, this is Jem. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button for more updates with my videos if you haven't. Today, I'm going to make Milo Dalgona, which is based from the recipe of the Dalgona coffee. That's the original one that everyone's been doing at home during this quarantine period. And I'm going to make Milo Dalgona because wala lang, para iba. And like, I don't really take in caffeine well in my system, so Milo Dalgona na lang talaga. I tried to make the Dalgona coffee yesterday. It was good. It was really good. It's just that I have a problem with ingesting caffeine. Okay? So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So, the ingredients, these are the ingredients that we'll be needing, which is whipped cream, Nestle whipped cream. Is this whipped cream? All-purpose cream, sorry. All-purpose cream, brown sugar, hot water, Milo powder, of course, and then almond milk for the base later. But I'll be doing the whipped cream first, the one that we're gonna put on top of this later. So yeah, so first off, I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of sugar, brown sugar. I'll be using the other bowl first, so this one. No, actually, I'll use the smaller one. Sorry. Okay, so 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Oh my gosh, ang hirap pala kunin. Don't worry guys, malinis yung fingers ko, naghugas ako. Natamad na ako kumuha. So, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and then another one. So, 2. And then next, after this, we'll be kneading the Milo powder. 2 tablespoons of Milo powder as well. 1. Two. And then we'll be getting the hot water, 2 tablespoons as well. So, oh my god, I'm making a mess. Oh no, bad idea. But 1, ito na, pag-ito na lang. 2. So, after this, I put everything inside. I mean, not everything, but like the Milo whipped cream first. Pala yung mix ko. We'll just mix this for like a few seconds. So that's that. I've finished mixing the Milo. And then we'll be doing the whipped cream. We're gonna make all-purpose cream. We're gonna make it fluffy. I'll do it. Oh, struggle. I need a knife to open. I got my scissors, sorry. Oh my god, mapurol. Ayun. Oh no, nashoot ba dito? Hindi naman. But I'll be, oh no. Okay, but I'll be putting this na. It's up to you. Oh my god. Is this expired? May pa naman na. Wait. There. It's up to you how much cream you want to put. But ako, sasabarin ko siguro ito. Hindi naman. Siguro mga half of this Tetra Pak. Oh my gosh. That's so hard.
A few moments later.
So, there. Yun lang. Mayroon pang natira dito. So, I'm gonna be mixing the cream naman. You have to mix it until it becomes fluffy.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
fluffier than the usual.
1 hour later.
So there, I'm satisfied with the fluffiness of this, the cream. The next one that I'm gonna do is I'll be putting this gradually inside the Milo consistency. So paunti-unti lang, and then I'm gonna mix it. Mixing the Milo consistency with the cream. Next is I'm going to pour the almond milk inside my mug that I'm gonna use. This one, just a clear mug para makita niyo kung ano yung itsura niya. And actually, you can choose any kind of milk that you want. But me personally, I like almond milk. So, ito yung gagawin ko. Some people use Bear Brand, Alaska, Nestle. Pero ako gusto kasi yung almond milk. And this is from SNR. I think my mom bought this. It's a 137 centigrade almond milk with organic coconut flour nectar. So, yun. And then, I'll just get a spoon para ma-transfer ko to inside. So, depends how much you want. Actually, hindi ganun kahalata yung consistency ng Milo ko kasi mas marami yung all-purpose cream ko compared to the Milo. Yum! There's no such thing as too much cream. I know. So yeah, there it is. This is my very own Milo Dalgona. That's that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys get to make your own Milo Dalgona because of this video. And please comment down below if you guys want me to do something else for the next one. So yeah, that's that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button if you haven't. Bye!